today? Are you picking up something different?
Definitely, I feel like as an offense, we're gathering and we're gathering different things. We're executing all sorts of different stuff. I mean, the coaches are doing a lot of things at us right now, and we're just taking it day by day. And I feel as a group, we're doing very well.
What kind of things have you picked up?
Individually, I feel like from just being a quarterback, I mean, you got to go out there and make decisions. They put us in all different sorts of game situations, and I feel like I've grown and I've learned through these different situations.
So a lot of growth for yourself in the first 2 weeks. What do you expect out of the next 2 weeks?
These 2 weeks are going to be big for us as a group. We've got a game in less than a couple weeks now, and it's very exciting for us. And we're just going to take it, through each practice and continue to just execute and get ready.
At this point in camp, does that kind of drive you guys, knowing that there is something you're playing for, knowing that there is a game? It's kind of somewhat rapidly approaching.
Yeah, it's funny. A lot of the defensive guys are, they're saying they're tired of hitting the offensive guys, and I'm sure the offensive line and a lot of these receivers, they're tired of hitting the defensive guys. We're ready to just go out there and show what we can do.
How about the reps in practice? Chip talked about in years past it's been like 120 reps. Now it's like cranked up to about 170, 180. And there's really no downtime in there for you guys.
No, and that's really how our offense is. It's so fast paced, and to be able to practice like that really gets us ready for the game.
That kind of opened your eyes.
Yeah, I mean, when I first came in here, I was looking around like, wow, there's so many reps in practice, but it's also fun because everyone gets a rep. The guys behind us and the guys in front of us. I mean, the young guys too. Everyone gets reps, and as a group, that's very exciting because everyone gets to play.
What do you think you have left to prove here in the next week, 2 weeks to try to get that main spot?
I just hope to continue to make good decisions and to keep the team-oriented mindset and just go out there and have fun with it.
Thank you. Appreciate it.